Best credit cards for beginners in 2025, build credit fast. If you're just starting your credit journey in 2025, choosing the right credit card can make all the difference. Whether you're a student, a young professional, or someone looking to rebuild their credit, the right card can help you build a solid credit score, unlock financial opportunities, and earn valuable perks along the way. This comprehensive guide breaks down the best credit cards for beginners in 2025, how to qualify, what features to look for, and how to use them responsibly to build credit fast even if you're starting from scratch. Why credit cards are essential for beginners. Many people are hesitant to get a credit card, especially when they've heard horror stories about debt and high interest. But here's the truth. A credit card is one of the most powerful tools you have to build financial stability if used wisely. Here's why. Build a credit history. Your credit score is based on your borrowing history. No credit card equals no history equals low score. Get approved for loans. A good credit score helps you get approved for car loans, mortgages, and even rental applications. Lower interest rates. Good credit can save you thousands in interest over your lifetime. Earn rewards. Even beginner cards offer cash back or travel points. Fraud protection. Credit cards offer better protection than debit cards or prepaid cards. Let's dive into what makes a great beginner credit card and the best options available right now. White heavy check mark. What to look for in a beginner credit card. If you're new to credit, look for cards with these features. No annual fee. You shouldn't have to pay to build credit. Reports to all 3 credit bureaus ensures your activity is recorded to build your score. Low credit requirements. Ideal for thin or no credit history. Path to credit limit increases helps build your credit utilization ratio. Basic rewards. Nice perk, but not required for building credit. Security features. Alerts, fraud monitoring, and flexible due dates. Trophy top credit cards for beginners in 2025. Here are the best beginner-friendly credit cards in 2025 based on approval odds, rewards, ease of use, and benefits. 1. Discover it. Registered trademark secured credit card. Best secured card to build credit fast. Credit card annual fee, $0. Security deposit, $200 minimum, refundable. Banknote with $sign cash back. 2% at gas stations and restaurants, up to $1,000 per quarter. 1% on all other purchases. Wrapped present first year bonus, cashback match, doubles your first year's earnings. Graduation path, automatically reviewed for upgrade to unsecured after 7 months. Why it's great? It's rare for secured cards to offer real cashback rewards, but Discover's card does. Plus, it can convert to an unsecured card, so you don't have to close it later. Perfect for first-time credit users and students. 2. Capital One Platinum Credit Card. Closed lock with key. Best unsecured card for thin credit files. Credit card annual fee, $0. White heavy check mark. No security deposit required. Credit Steps Program. Get a credit limit increase after 6 months of on-time payments. Chart with upward trend. Reports to all 3 bureaus. Why it's great? This card is easy to qualify for, even with no credit history. It doesn't offer rewards, but it's a solid tool to establish and grow your score. Perfect for people with no credit or limited history who want an unsecured card. 3. Chime Credit Builder Visa Registered Trademark Card. Briefcase. Best for budgeting and building credit without risk. Credit card annual fee, $0. Closed lock with key. No interest, no credit check, no minimum deposit. No credit limit. Spend what you transfer. Bar chart. Reports to all 3 bureaus. How it works. You move money into your Chime Credit Builder account, then spend against that amount. There's no risk of overspending, and no interest charges. Why it's great? This card works like a debit card but helps build credit. Perfect for those afraid of credit card debt. Perfect for beginners who want to avoid credit pitfalls while building credit safely. 4. Capital One Quicksilver 1 Cash Rewards. Banknote with $, best for beginners who want cash back immediately. Credit card annual fee, $39. Money bag rewards, unlimited 1.5% cash back on all purchases. Chart with upward trend credit limit increases, eligible after 6 months. White heavy check mark reports to all bureaus. Why it's great. Unlike most beginner cards, Quicksilver One rewards you for every $1. Even though it has a small fee, the cash back can pay for itself quickly. Perfect for responsible spenders ready to earn rewards while building credit. 5. Pedal registered trademark 2 cash back, no fees Visa card. Seedling best for those with no credit but strong bank history. Credit card annual fee, $0. Chart with upward trend credit required, no credit history needed, uses your bank data. Banknote with $, cash back. 1% on all purchases, up to 1.5% with on-time payments. Credit limits, $300 $10,000. Why it's great. Pedal looks at your income and banking activity, not just credit score, making it ideal if you're new to credit. Perfect for beginners with no credit score but solid income and responsible money habits. Books Pro Tips, how to use your first credit card the right way. Getting a card is just step 1. To actually build your credit fast, you need to use it responsibly. 1. Pay your balance in full every month. Avoid interest and debt by treating your credit card like a debit card. Only spend what you can afford to pay off. Set up autopay so you never miss a payment. 2. Keep your credit utilization low. Use less than 30% of your credit limit at any time. Example. If your limit is $500, never carry more than $150 at a time. This helps your credit score rise quickly. 3. Use it every month. Even small purchases, like Netflix or gas, help show activity. Keep your card active and build a positive history. 4. Don't apply for too many cards. Stick with 1 or 2 cards while you build history. Too many applications can hurt your score in the beginning. 5. Track your credit score monthly. Use free apps like Credit Karma, Experian, your credit card issuer's app. Watch your score improve as you pay on time and keep balances low. Warning sign: what to avoid with your first credit card. Avoid these rookie mistakes. Crossmark: carrying a balance just to build credit. You can build credit by paying off in full. Crossmark: paying late. Even one missed payment can tank your score. Crossmark: closing your first card too early. Length of credit history matters. Crossmark: ignoring your credit report. Check it regularly to dispute errors. Crossmark: overspending to earn rewards. This defeats the purpose of building smart habits. Speech balloon: final thoughts. Start smart, build fast. The journey to excellent credit starts with one step, and the right credit card can put you on the fast track. In 2025, beginners have more options than ever that offer no fees, easy approval, and even rewards. Pick a card that matches your habits, treat it like cash, and build a positive credit history one purchase at a time. Within a year, you'll be eligible for premium rewards cards, better loans, and more financial freedom.